Can I say that as a COVID committee chair, I do regret the decision by Pfizer that that is why, upon conceiving the communication on the cancellation of the participation of Mr. Bourla, both the Secretariat as myself, in my capacity as chair of the committee, have reached out directly to our contacts at Pfizer, clarifying that Mr. Bourla is a person of key interest for the committee and that his participation in the hearing is vital to the work of our committee members.
Last year, more than 1 out of every 6 people on Earth used a Pfizer medicine or vaccine. This, of course, makes us all at the company very proud. As of the 18th of September of this year, we have delivered more than 3.8 billion vaccines to 181 countries and territories in the region of the world. And to date, over half the population in Europe have received a Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine.
As you know, our vaccine, CureVac's vaccine, didn't make it to the market. Together with GSK, today we are currently developing a new COVID-19 vaccine that is in phase 1 and shows okay results. We have 4 ongoing clinical trials in infectious diseases, and beyond COVID-19, our pipeline includes antigens, but also cancer immunotherapies and molecular therapies, all based on mRNA.
Just wanted to remind ourselves for which reasons we are here. As lawmakers, we are here to look into the European response to the pandemic and draw the very lessons learned for the future. We are not here to make headlines. I would encourage all of us to focus on the substance and not get dragged into discussions about who is representing which company in this hearing.
It was concluded by this report that this contract was concluded outside of the normal negotiating procedure. I would like to also understand 2 things. Why were more doses secured, and why did the price per dose, comparatively with previous contracts, went from 15.5 euros a dose to 19.5 euros a dose?
I think it's important to know that we are still involved in ongoing negotiations. And so therefore, making available details of our contracts would prejudice their interests. Regarding your comment about Dr. Bourla, I am very sorry he's not here, and I really hope that me being present will be able to help answer some of the questions that you have.
Nous saluons la prouesse technique et scientifique des laboratoires BioNTech et de l'entreprise Pfizer dans la course au Covid-19, mais cette prouesse ne peut justifier le manque de transparence dans la négociation des contrats.
Warum kosten Boosterimpfdosen mehr als die ursprüngliche Dosis? Also wir müssen es schaffen, dass jede, die Impfungen vornehmen möchte, die sich impfen lassen möchten, den Zugang zu haben. Und hier müssen wir über die Impfungen sprechen. Wer hat die Verteilung? Wie wird verteilt? Warum wird weggeschmissen? Wer entscheidet darüber? Und was kostet wie viel? Ich glaube, das ist nochmal eine ganz wichtige Frage. Herzlichen Dank.
Ik ben ook benieuwd wat uw aandeelhouders ervan vinden dat de CEO van Pfizer weigert om transparant te zijn voor deze commissie. De heer Bourla is wel geïnteresseerd in de miljarden winst met belastinggeld van de EU-burgers, maar niet geïnteresseerd om daar tekst en uitleg over te geven.
Combien de messages électroniques votre PDG a-t-il échangé avec la présidente de la Commission européenne? Avouez-vous, oui ou non, des négociations parallèles en dehors du processus normal, oui ou non? Est-ce que votre PDG envoie encore aujourd'hui des messages électroniques à Madame van der Leyen?
Regarding your specific question as to whether a contract negotiation such as this contract, which you referred to, 1.8 billion doses, was negotiated through an SMS, I can categorically tell you that would not be the case. From our point of view, we cannot discuss pricing. Pricing is confidential. We have taken a tiered pricing approach to pricing to make sure that it is affordable for the governments to be able to ensure that citizens can have it without out-of-pocket funding.
There were no SMSs, and we wouldn't send SMSs today. The negotiations have been very intense and very tough because of the time needed.
Qui a changé les seuils? Deuxièmement, quand vous avez fourni...
Wie sieht die Forschung hier aus? Was treiben Sie voran, damit wir eben diese schweren Impfnebenwirkungen...
Entendez là? Merci.